What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're not following already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But pretty much in this video, I'm going to do some plug installs on the Mustang. If you've seen the video before that, it was the Supercharged pulley install. So yeah, go check out that video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so pretty much getting straight into it. First things first, check off this boost popping. Here's got to come off. Get this off here. Little silencer piece. It's pretty much useless, but still we keep it on there for looks. Just go off here. If you have a NA, naturally aspirated car, pretty good. You ain't got one? That's alright.
Yes, I got one in this drawer in here.
Alright, so if you have a stock car, you won't have to do all this, but this one's booted, so I gotta take all this popping off. But for yours, it should just be like your intake popping. Gotta get this guy here off. That is I think that's a 10. Yeah. This guy here should slide off. There. Here should come out. So, this piece to the side. So boost line, again, if you have boost line, just kind of move that stuff out of the way. Don't damage it or anything. Get it pushed to the side.
Catch me with the greed in your words. Keeping me captive, put locks on the doors. Did your best to scare me up.
You can do them all together. Sometimes I do them one by one. Sometimes I just go ahead and do them all together. Just depends on how I'm feeling, but I'm kind of running out of daylight, so I'm trying to get this done as soon as possible. It's really not that difficult. The only bad thing is whenever you go to put the, like that guy was barely on there. that is. Okay, so that's full. That's no good. That's really not good. Yeah, that's old. That's definitely old. That's not good at all. That sucks. Okay. So yeah. That one was also barely on there, covered in oil. That's not good. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and continue the same thing on the other side. Okay, those are completely dry, which is a good thing. Don't know why the fuck the other side is not. Little fucking concerning, but we'll get it figured out. I always do. Yeah, they're on there. Barely. On there. But dry. So that's a good thing. That's what you want to see. You want to see these dry. You don't want these to be wet. Mine got wet somehow. So what I am gonna do is remove all this fucking debris with an air gun. So yeah, be right back. Alright, I'm back. So here are the rest of the coil packs. Went and got a spark plug socket and spark plug gapper. Looks like last time I gapped them to 0.28 thousandths. So shout out to Marty from Mo's Feed Shop in Dallas, Georgia. Marty, if you're watching this, I appreciate you. But yeah, so Marty recommend getting, let me show you guys spark plugs. So I was running the TR6s, which is what most of the boosted guys of these modular motors run. But these are BR7EFs. It's pretty expensive. I got a buddy that works at AutoZone or Advance, so he kind of helped me out on this. But like I said, these are the plugs. Shout out to Seth White. Seth, if you're watching this, appreciate you, bro. So yeah, these are actually a few steps colder. As you can see that the porcelain kind of goes down into the thread well here. So, and these are supposed to be gapped at 20 thousandths. That'll keep them from blowing the spark out. So I'm gonna clean up all this, the whole engine bay area, get all this dust and leaves and shit and dead bugs out. So that way when I do put these in, nothing falls in the cylinder wells, then I'll have to fish that shit out. That's what that noise is, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out to this driver's side. Is there really anything in these wells? They're actually pretty clean. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the first plug. We'll see what it looks like. Okay, so that's what the first one looks like. That's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Like I said, that's not actually that bad. There they are, TR6s. Your GoPro will not focus. Okay, so TR6s. Again, not that bad on the driver's side. Look, it was actually perfect. Not too rich, not too lean, which is surprising. I figured it'd be really rich. So yeah, there's the first plug. this guy out. I'm going from TR6s to these BKRs, which are 2 steps colder, and I'll have to re-gap them because it's giving me spark blowout because the amount of boost that I'm pushing now. So, but yeah,
Where's that on?
it's on the passenger side of here. His dad, shout out to Dad for the compressed air.
What's up?
That's crazy. That is crazy. Never seen nothing like that, dude. Never. I'm actually even gonna put something inside that throttle plate, dude. That trips me out. Alright. Now I'm just gonna hit the passenger side. Okay, I'm back. Got you guys on the tripod right now. Make sure you guys give the channel a like, comment, share it with your friends. If you got a 99 042 2-valve Mustang, this will be your plug install. Boosted or NA, it's all the same. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up what I'm doing here. So essentially, did I just do that second fucking plug, eh? Yeah, okay, perfect. So that one's done. There's 2. So all I'm doing is, see this right here? Got all the plugs in my lap. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 left. Already done 2. So I'll take the plug out, throw the box in the floor, throw the little porcelain protector on the floor, and so these are the plugs I'm using. These are BR7EFs, and I don't know if you can see that mark or not. Right here at the very front, that's 20 thousandths. You see how that's a consistent little cut right here? So these from, I don't know, I guess factory, however they make them, are gap to 0.28. So essentially I'm just smashing this little guy here down, and then I'm re-gapping it because it's got to be gapped smaller. So, and then I'll put the spark plug in there. You see it can't go anywhere. Pull it out, push it till it hits, slide it out, and that's essentially how you gap your spark plugs. And then all I'm doing with this spark plug once I gap it is I'm setting it over here in the driver's seat, and I'm going right back over here and grabbing another one. So pop it open just over and over. I'll catch you guys. Alright, so it's getting darker, but they're all done. Here's the last one. Throw it in the floor. So there we go, that's the last. I'm gonna put my spark plug tool down there. I'm gonna grab all these guys. Alright, there's all the spark plugs. I'm losing a whole bunch of daylight here, but alright, so I'm almost done. I didn't want to leave you guys like that. Of course, the GoPro died again. Zoom. There we go. I'm on my iPhone 15. Anyway, tool's here. So I got the spark plugs in. All of them are, God, it's so messy in here. Focus, there we go. All of them are pretty hand tight. So again, it's just a reverse order. But check out this sunset. That's a good old Alabama sunset for you. There's the Beamer. If you guys are interested in a video on that guy, let me know. I'm always down to make some videos. So yeah, just reverse order. You're gonna take your coil pack, you're gonna put those in, put your injector, focus, put your injector plugs on, get your coil pack plugs back on, bolt all this stuff. So again, it's pretty much just reverse order. But yeah, this will be the end of the video. If you guys are still watching, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this, share my channel, things like that. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.